Right. So upon opening ETABS, you will have the interface that looks like this. And just for the Rhino thing, I have this somewhat just kind of a model, and I have saved it as a DXF file on my desktop. So coming back to ETABS, I will go to a new model, and let's just get acquainted with basic interface. So I'll go to built-in settings and I'll select most of this as India related. So I'll say metric SI. Region for default materials, I'll choose India. Steel section database, I'll choose Indian. Steel design code, I'll choose Indian IS 800 2007, and concrete design code, I'll choose IS 456 2000. So the good thing is it has already Indian codes built in it. So I click OK, and it'll ask for all of this. I'll just click blank for now because we have all custom models, none of these pre-made models. So that now if your screen should ideally look like this. It should have multiple viewports, just like Rhino by default has 4 viewports, and it should have some buttons, and it should have an explorer on the left. If let's say none of this is visible, what you can do is go to options, and you can go to customize toolbars. And if none of this is if it's something looking like this, you can just have draw, select, you can have edit, view, define, design. Design is not needed right now because you're not putting into the reinforcement and detailing and all that. And that's pretty much it. I don't need a sign joint. I'll be doing it through my menu. So all of this, at least you should have. You can switch it all. That's up to you, and that is there. And if Model Explorer is not there, that's still okay. You can go to again the options and show Model Explorer if you need that. I generally don't use it. And this is the perspective view, and somewhere here you will see 3D, you will see plan, you see elevation. So by default it just takes a couple of four, 5 stories. So I just like Revit, I can choose to see what story I want. Let's say base. I can go back to 3D. If I do not like perspective, there is this toggle which helps me shift between isometric and perspective. So that is that, and we have all these options at the top, the entire toolbar, which we'll explore in a bit.